I'm very, 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 very curioso, because I left Marchettino after the new video with the AMG Class A Mercedes 45 AMG to the train station, Stazione Termini, Rome, Italy. But 8 minutes later, Marchettino called me. What do you? Everything okay, Marco? Marco, what's happening? I left the train, he told me. And Secondotestomale, in your opinion, I stay bad. I think that the troubles, the real troubles, are different things. And so, Marchettino, yeah, Marchettino, amazing. Oh, welcome back home, Marchettino.
Sembra essere passata una vita.
It seems to be past a life. What's happening? What's happened, Marco? Why didn't you take the train? Do you want to stay with me in Rome?
Non avevo voglia di tornare a casa.
Marchettino don't want to go home. I want to stay with Presidente. And this is a, how to say difficultà, Marco?
Difficulty.
It's a difficulty. It's not a trouble. It's possible to take the good part of this. Now I put you on the side, the left side of the street. You take, you put the hand, and you ask, please, do you have a coin? And it's become a real opportunity to make money tonight in Rome. We spend a night in Rome. What's happening? Because it's too much expensive. Also, they're powerful, and if you stay on the train, you didn't live this emotion now. Vivalavita. Welcome back home, Marchettino. Next time. But where is the number 2 East? Where is the number 2 East in the train station? But did you see the train go away? Did you see? But why when you call me you did
una maratona.
you did a marathon, Marchettino? Difficulty and troubles, many different things. No problem. Yeah, man. Now I put you on the tail and go away. Viva la vita.